Okay, so now we're going to export the file. Today we're going to export it as a PDF. So we'll take our time doing this. So let's go to File, Export, and we have at the format down here, so it's Adobe PDF Print. You may have a few options here, but that's the one we want to select for this particular job. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save, but it's going to run through a few things with us now. Okay, so first we've got General, and we're going to change all to 1. So this document is just 1 and it's pages, it's not spreads, there's not more than 1 page. So everything else is fine. It's a good idea to click on View PDF after exporting, so you can just double check it when it has exported. Go on ahead to Compression. So we want to select Do Not Downsample here. You want to keep it high red. So that's your color images, do not downsample. Your grayscale images, do not downsample. And again, your monochrome images, do not downsample. Brilliant. Okay, go on to Marks and Bleeds. So we've already checked that our document flows out to the bleed on the document, so those red marks. So we can use our document bleed setup here. And we can go ahead and click on all print marks. So there's a few different things here you could select separately if you wanted to. And sometimes I do, sometimes I only put crop marks on. But today we're going to select all printer marks and it will highlight all of these and tick them off. Okay, so next is Output. So this is our color. We've kind of gone through this already today. So we want to make sure it's just CMYK. So we just go to our ink manager and check. So this little square with 4 colors, that represents the CMYK. So you can see here we've got cyan, your C, magenta, M, yellow, Y, and K, funny enough, is black. And we've also got a Pantone color here, but it's good enough to go because it is already been turned into 4 colors. Okay, so what you might need to do, if it's not already ticked, is click on all spots to process. Okay, so you can see that makes a wee difference. Okay, so okay that one. Now advanced. So just your fonts are 100%. We won't put any security on this, but you could lock your file and leave it that only certain people could access it. So you have a summary there. It goes through some of the things we've already gone through. But that should be fine to export. So we'll go ahead and export it to a folder you've already selected. So it might take a few minutes, but it should open for you once it's exported. And then you can actually check over the file again to see that you're happy with how it all looks. So if you've got Acrobat, you'll see that it'll open automatically. And we've got all our information. So we've got our actual crop marks and bleed marks represented here. And we also have the name of the file written in very small print. So it is important when you name your file to name it something appropriately and something that you don't mind your printer reading. Okay, so you've exported your file to print, so now you just need to send it to your printer via email.